Hey guys, wanted to do a little video for you of our current setup and what we're operating out of. We currently have a 3-bed, 1.5 apartment and are actually moving into a super cute little house here soon. So I wanted to show you guys kind of what our stations and basically what I do and where I do it in this tiny apartment. Now, mind you, there is no extra space. I have 3 kids and then of course my husband and myself, so we are making the most of this space, as you will see. Sorry about the dim lighting. The one area that I do most of my resin at is terrible lighting. No lighting. It's awful. So, yeah. But, yeah, I just want to show you guys just kind of what it looks like and how we operate. So, yeah, here we go. Okay, so we have right here my beautiful craft area. We have a very small apartment, so kind of just made do with the space. Shout out to Art by Ange, my mom-in-law, making this cute little rock for us with our colors. But basically, I have a bunch of pegboards up with all the things that I need and use on a regular basis. And then we have my pressure pot Bessie. She's just chilling under there, but we usually put her on a flat surface when we do use her. And then I have some packaging stuff right there, and then pens and whatnot. And then in my closet, I have all the rest of the things I use, but not as frequently. I also keep all of my individual craft stuff in these totes, which is very nice. But just trying to utilize the space. It's kind of whatever we can do with what we have, which thankfully we're moving here soon. Why I'm doing this video, just to show you that it is possible to do something like this with a small space. This is our 3D printer 2. Looking to upgrade her soon because she's giving us issues. But yeah, we have Alice. She cures my resin in about 3 hours for smaller projects. Really, really like her. She's my favorite. But yeah, just kind of basic setup. If you look in the right corner, I have all my magnets. I always like to give magnets with my Etsy orders, just because I always have extra resin and I hate wasting resin. And then of course we have your cubby storage type thing from Walmart, which I have everything else in. So glitters, colors, all that good stuff. Then over here we have the computer station. If you don't love my monitors, I don't know who you are, but we just have a monitor and a big old TV up there so we can have the dual screens. But this is just kind of where I do my orders, make videos, all that good stuff. And I also have my Cricut in this corner. I really like her. She's been really, really good investment to have. And then, of course, more storage, boxes, all that good stuff. Oh, and I forgot to add, this is also packaging stuff as well. We just got one of those. I think it's a Billy bookcase from IKEA, but just really, good spot to put everything. But yeah, thanks for watching. Can't wait to show you the new one.